Hi, this is Milano Hair Studio, and we have just ordered in the new Gama Professional IQ Perfetto hair dryer. The hair dryer has many benefits, such as an extra long life, a motor speed of 110,000 RPM, and the product only weighs 294 kilograms. The product is easy to use, and the hairdryer contains an instruction book which has all of the pros that the product has and instructions on how it can be used. Inside the box, the hairdryer contains 3 accessories: one diffuser, and 2 concentrator nozzles of different sizes. The hairdryer also comes with many other benefits, such as a lock button, memory function, auto cleaning function, and a Venturi effect. Gama Professional IQ hairdryer is a great and easy product to use and will be sold in our stores and is highly recommended.